Hi, this is Phil Heeley from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with technology. This is part 4 of the mini-series BandLab Create Music for Film, where we used the video game trailer from Halo. And I thought I'd include the original Halo version, so if you choose to, you can see what it sounded like in the first place. Have a listen. So if you want to make your own film music to the Halo trailer, head over to the other 3 videos which you'll find in the description below, and there you'll find the silent video with the music taken out and also the timings of where the action happens and where it changes. Finally, you'll also see where I show you how to use BandLab and the BandLab loops to create atmosphere and sync it up to the original trailer. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Keep making music.